And this is supposed to be, you've done a lot of visits here now, haven't you? Backup visits.
I have, yeah. It's been...
So bought it.
I forgot how many years it is now. It's quite soft.
How does that work? Is it suction?
No, so what we're doing at the moment, we're just scooping it out. So this device that I'm using just helps me visualise the earwax in your ear. It's the endoscope tip we put in the ear. It inflates the view, it magnifies it.
This is your own invention?
Yeah, so we took inspiration from another device called the endoscope eye, but it wasn't designed for earwax. So myself and a few colleagues formed a new company called Clearwax, and we manufactured this especially for the ears. So it took about 18 months of research and development to get the right device. It's really soft, gooey wax. It's hard to vacuum. And
it takes it all out, does it?
When we remove wax, the idea is to remove the wax that's causing you mischief. So we're not trying to get every little speck of wax out, because by doing that, we can start causing trauma to the ear. We can close the ear canal.
There's a lot of it, isn't there?
Yeah, so we want to remove the blockage. A bit of wax is actually healthy for you.
Is it ultrasound or something like that?
What this? No, this is just mechanical removal. I've got the suction machine in the car, which we might need to use. And this is a little vacuum, which we put in the ear and we can vacuum the wax. But with your wax, it's quite soft and sticky, so it won't really vacuum very well. So hence why I'm using this Jobson Horne. This is like an ear scoop. Still loads in there. So I'm just going a bit deeper in the ear. It's going to stay nice and still. Let's kind of get behind that.
Do you need to use that device?
I might need to get my suction machine, yeah, to get the rest of it. The rest of it's quite deep and it's settled onto the eardrum.
Lots of the stuff in there, isn't there?
Yeah, it's still right in there. It's all stuck to the canal wall. It's more than usual. Okay, I'll just get the suction machine. This is the suction. Let's put some oil in there because it's settled onto your eardrum. Let's see if this oil will help this.
Oh no, that's the one that's waxed up because I don't put anything in that here.
Yeah, it's unusual, not it? Here with the hearing aid in. You can stay nice and still. You might hear some sudden shooting sounds. It's just the wax covering up the tube.
Is it shifting?
Not really, no. Just feel from the outside.
Has it worked?
No, your wax is quite stubborn. So normally with this type of wax we use drops for a few days and then we remove it.
No good.
Yeah, I've got a bit more. I'm just peeling it from the side. Sometimes, ideally what we want to do is get the suction unit onto the piece of wax directly and it comes out in one big go, but with yours it's not. So I'm just going around the edge and see if I can peel it off.
Tracy seems quite knowledgeable, doesn't she?
Oh, she is, yeah. She's just getting nice and still. This is very deep in your ear now.
Very efficient. She rang me to remind you.
Yeah. So it goes just there, nice and still. I'm nearly there. Oh, it's there nice and still. That's it. I got another piece out.
Done?
No, just a bit more.
Okay.
So we're making progress. I think I'll be able to get the big plug out now. Again, so just going really still for me. That's the offending piece of wax.
That's a big one.
Let's see if there's any more. Just got some, just near the entrance now. I've got the blockage off the eardrum, just mopping up around the edge.
That would have dulled it down, wouldn't it?
It would have, yeah, it would have affected your hearing, I'm pretty sure it would have. And it probably would have caused that earache as well, possibly. So I'm going to be nice and delicate, but I'm just peeling some wax off the canal wall. You may feel me. Yeah, just go nice and still. That's it. Clearing my tube there, it got blocked. Good job you had that rapeseed oil. Have a nice look in your ear now, make sure I've got all of it out. Yeah. So, your eardrum is inflated. You've got possibly fluid behind the eardrum.
Right.
Or excessive air, because I can see your eardrum bulge, and I'll show you in a moment. So, it's related to the eustachian tube.
Is that the eustachian tube?
It is, so I'll give you some tips on that as well.